If you've got a stinky dog like this one, then you know how difficult it can be. So I went ahead and got this plastic bathtub. This one is the light gray. They have also a light blue. The box looks pretty big, but really it's only about 16 pounds. So this one's from Vivor. Let's go ahead and open it up. I'm assuming it's going to come out the top here. The way that the box opens. Solid piece of styrofoam there. Looks like all the pieces just are going to come right out. Let's pull it out of the box. Now, I did not realize it was going to be almost already assembled out of the box, or I should say completely assembled out of the box. So I'm pulling off the bubble wrap now. This is just as it came out of the box, and it looks like that's probably the bottom feet, and then this is the rest of it. Here's the instructions right off the top, and that's what it's going to end up looking like. Just a couple of things of information, and sure enough, it is ready to go. All we have to do is clip in the legs, and then when we go to store it, looks like it'll fit between the wash machine and the wall. Let's see what it looks like set up. Stinky's already climbing on it, and it's not even put together. So all we do is lift it up, I think, and let it unfold. Yeah, it's that easy. Wow, that really was simple. There's a drain plug on the bottom here. It's all good to go. Looks like for carrying it. There's a handle. And yeah, that was simple. Now I can attach the legs and have it freestanding. And we can put Stinky right in. Fill it up with as much water as we need. There's plenty of room here even for our big dog. I really thought this was going to be the size for him, but it's going to be the size for all our dogs. Hope this helps.